Hi, my name is Katie Blackman, and I'm here today to present to you about something called OSHA. OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1970. OSHA was implemented into the law in 1970 by Congress and President Richard M. Nixon. It was created to assure safe and healthy working environments for all of the workers. It also provided sources of education, training, and outreach for workplaces. OSHA is a section of the United States Department of Labor. The administrator of OSHA directly reports to the Secretary of Labor, and that is someone who is a cabinet member for the President of the United States. Since OSHA's establishment in 1970, it has strengthened the workplace health and safety codes enough that it has prevented almost 65% of accidents and workplace illnesses. All employers must provide employees with a general training of what they will be exposed to, such as chemicals or toxins or any type of dangerous environment that they may come encounter with. OSHA has always been committed to providing workers and employers with up-to-date information about the such toxins that are within the workplace. And they also help ensure that the workers that are within the vulnerable, high-risk areas are well aware of what they may encounter. There's actually a book that each workplace is pretty much mandated to have, and it's like a OSHA handbook, and it will list the different types of chemicals and toxins and just dangerous things that they may encounter and how to deal with them according to the OSHA law. OSHA was the act in 1970, but it actually led to the establishment of the Occupational Safety Health Administration, which is in charge of all of the laws and things within OSHA that workplaces are required to implement each day. Because OSHA provides the proper compliance rules and standards and practices, it actually helps save lives. They have improved the working conditions, as I said, by 65%, and those hazards and unsafe conditions, even though they're present and some of them have been prevented, they still happen. 3.3 million men and women each year actually either come in contact with some sort of illness or injury, and it still happens, but it's preventable with OSHA, and that's why they provide the manual and the proper training for everyone to know what they're actually going to come in contact with at work. As a healthcare management person, when I graduate, I'm going to be a healthcare manager. I plan to implement OSHA as much as I can and provide the proper training and educational material for my workers to ensure their safety and that they will always feel like they are in a healthy and safe environment. Thank you for your time and have a great day.